Welcome to the channel, your place to discover and share everything there is to know about virtual classrooms and more. I'm Richard, your virtual classroom coach, and in this video we're going to look at the fun side of Zoom video, but showcase just how you can use it for maximum professional effect and high learner engagement. Yes, this is the channel that specialises in the world of live online learning. So if you want to become a virtual classroom champion, subscribe and keep on watching. Now, if you haven't seen it already, do check out my other video that showcases the amount of control you have to change and increase the quality of your video in Zoom. But like I say, in this one, we're going to focus on the more creative and fun side of Zoom video. Now for this, you'll need to go under the hood a little to background and filters. But before you even go there, to avoid any disappointment, let's first check to make sure the function is actually enabled by going into General and View More Settings. Now this will take you to the web portal of Zoom where you need to log in as usual, then tap on In Meeting Advanced and scroll to Virtual Background. Toggle that on and also check Allow Use of Videos for Virtual Backgrounds. Then you're done here, back to your Zoom app and select Background and Filters. Now, as you can see by default, we're on virtual backgrounds and we also have none automatically selected. So by choosing one of those stock images there, you'll see just how easy it is to remove and replace your own background. Now, the more simple background you have in real life, the better the effect that Zoom will give you. Now, you might have noticed some of these have a little video symbol as well. You've guessed it, it even works on video. Now, the quality of the effect can be further enhanced by checking I have a green screen. Buy one of these though, they're really cheap to buy and really useful for that professional quality look. The one I use here is linked in the description below in the comments, and I like it because it's a decent size, has no creases when you pop it open, but also folds down into a much more smaller portable size, which is great for storage. Now, you might think these virtual backgrounds are fun, but pretty useless in our business world. But that's where this little plus sign can prove you wrong, because that allows you to upload any image or video of your choice. And this gives you limitless possibilities from both a business or learning point of view. So here I've extracted a slide from my own slide deck, and I can use that as a branded background for my live virtual classroom. This looks really professional and on brand. Or just think, if you simply don't want your learners to see your own personal space, you could download a Swish office space photo and use that instead. Finally, you could get so creative with a video. You could guide your learners through any subject you wish. Imagine just how engaging that would be on full screen, and it would really help you to bring the virtual space to life with real world footage of a real life topic, completely immersive for the learners. Now let's move across to video filters. Yes, there's the usual crazy bunny ears that make famous people even more famous, and there's even some topical ones that even allow you to socially distance virtually. But the first few filters are particularly useful and do provide you with an opportunity to experiment with different tones and contrasts, so well worth having a play. Just don't forget to turn those bunny ears off. So there you go, lots of fun, but some serious stuff too that can really add to the visual impact and stir engagement. There's other videos on this subject too. Check out my content on video quality and also another video that teaches you how to reimpose your own video onto your live slide deck. But that's all for now. As always, thanks so much for watching.